The Vivo V7 is powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chip. Despite its 4 Series branding, this one is more of a reworked Snapdragon 625 and comes to replace the Snapdragon 435. The 450's processor has 8 1.8 GHz Cortex-A53 cores and promises a 25% boost in processing speed over the incumbent S435 chip. It also comes with the Adreno 506 GPU, which should provide a 25% boost in gaming performance. Finally, Vivo has granted the V7 with 4 GB of RAM, great for games and multitasking. Of course, the highlight of this new chip is that it's built on a 14nm process, the first among the 4 series. Power draw when gaming will be reduced by up to 30% and Qualcomm expects batteries will offer up to 4 hours more of active use compared to the old chip. And now, it's benchmark time. Geekbench is what we ran first, and the V7 did great. As expected, its 1.8 GHz processor is faster than the 1.6 GHz and will easily get the job done, but it trails behind the 2.0 and 2.2 GHz ones. We've already seen the Adreno 506 GPU perform on the Snapdragon 625, Mi A1, V5 Plus, Moto G5S Plus, so this is a welcome upgrade for the 4XX generation. Just as expected, as far as raw power is concerned, the 450's Adreno 506 is on par with the one inside the 620. It is better than the old Adreno 505, of course, but not as fast as the Adreno 508 and Snapdragon 630, HTC U11 Life. But the V7 isn't utilizing a 1080p screen, but a 720p one, which means less pixels and more processing power. And it blew the competition away at the actual on-screen tests. Qualcomm's latest addition to the basic 4XX series has turned out to be a capable silicon, and you can tell by the scores. We ran quite a few 3D games, both arcades and shooters, and they were smooth and enjoyable. The widescreen helps for an immersive experience, while the more than adequate chip boosts the enjoyment. The Snapdragon 450 chip is built on a 14nm process, which meant low heat output, and we can confirm the V7 doesn't get hot under use at all. We expect the adoption rate of the S450 to skyrocket, as this is one very capable chipset.